I'm Jessie. I work as a nursery associate here at Farmer John's. Today I'm going to talk about habitat and food for birds, like different trees and shrubs that they can use, and different flowers that would attract them. Also, we'll go inside and look at some of the feeders. So let's start out with some trees that would be useful. Red horse chestnut. This is a variety called Fort McNair. This gets some really lovely bright red, pinkish red flowers, and really good attractant for hummingbirds and other types of birds. The dogwood creates fruit that birds will make use of. They also provide a bit of habitat cover. I've also got the white. This is a nice variegated leaf, and there's red ones down there. But yeah, dogwood, good useful fruiting tree. Large spruce tree or pine tree gives them a place to make nests, gives them good cover, which birds appreciate, especially for protection and for protection from bad weather. But let's go look at shrubs. Viburnum. They get good size, but after they're done flowering, they will develop some fruit that birds will really make use of. I have this variety, Mauricii. We have a shorter one, Wabi-sabi, that's really looking beautiful right now. This one is called Snowflake. Cranberry high bush viburnum is one they particularly like. Here we have elderberry, another good flowering and then later fruiting shrub. It's a good bird attraction. I have the lemon lime foliage and also the dark, more purpley red, reddish green foliage. Very attractive, but attracted to birds for the fruit that they produce. Here we have amelanchier, also known as serviceberry. It's a good fruiting shrub. Robins really love the fruit. Here's a good red flowering perennial that hummers really like. It's monarda, otherwise called bee balm. This one's raspberry wine. These get really tall, but the hummingbirds really are attracted to that red flower. We already have some coral bells coming out. They like that little tubular red flower. This has got a good bright red flower on a tall stalk. Hummingbirds are really attracted to that. This needs a damp but sunny location. They're not a long-lived plant, but if you allow them to reseed, you could have them in your garden for a while. So inside now, we have these kind of color-coded bird feeders that you can fill with the bird seed. We could start out with the finch, very narrow holes that they can get that really tiny Niger seed. Finch love it. We could go to the songbird mix, basically the wild bird feed. Be fine for that. Cardinals, this red tube will absolutely love anything with sunflower seeds. Okay, what these are is the black oil sunflower seeds, which is particularly useful for cardinals. They like that. High energy suet. This is good for woodpeckers and the like. It's particularly useful for them in winter. The containers that they can go in. High energy suet or any kind of suet, good for birds. If you still have questions, please come and see us. I'm Jessie, and we also have other nursery staff out there who will be more than willing to help you select the best landscape material for your outdoor enjoyment.